Should you put all of your eggs in one basket? And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not use this video as advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But if I think of investments and I think, right, I'm going to invest £1,000 into 10 different stocks. What that does, I'm diversifying my investments, and that makes the risk low. And with a low risk, that also means low reward. So if one of those stocks does mature, the value goes up, the reward is still going to be quite slim because I've only put £100 in. Whereas if I put all of my eggs in one basket and I put the whole £1,000 into one company, of course, the risk is going to be a lot higher. There's more chance that one company could go bust. There's not much chance that 10 companies are all going to go bust at the same time. So investing in one thing is going to bring a higher risk, but it's also going to be a high reward. It depends on your risk tolerance. People that are older are less likely to have a high risk tolerance. They're more likely to play it safe, and people that are younger are more likely to be, playing it a bit more risky. And something else to think about is how well you know yourself, because when you're investing, there's two main players. The first player is fear. You're fearful because you invest money and you're worried that you're going to lose it. Once you put the money in, if the value drops, fear can kick in sometimes, especially for some people, and it can make you go, oh no, my money's going down, I'm going to lose my money, I need to withdraw the money, and then they panic, and then they actually lose. The other main emotion is greed. So what happens is we go, we're earning money, we're not earning enough money yet, so I'm going to wait. And we're like, oh yeah, we can make £50, £100, but we don't. What happens is we're still greedy. Oh, it might go up more. And when it drops, we go, oh, I'm not settling for that because I could have had more earlier. I'm going to wait. And then it goes into a loss. And then some people may have that fear kick in, so they have the greed and fear. Other people might just have the greed, and so they wait. No, eventually it'll go up, and then the company goes bust and your money is gone. So those two emotions can be very destructive, and you have to realize that any money that you put in, you are likely going to lose, especially if you don't know how to invest. I wouldn't encourage anyone to invest money if they didn't understand how investments worked and how the stock market works. I have invested in lots of different things. I have made lots of money in the stock market, but I've also had situations where I've invested in something and my money has just been sitting there. And when it's sitting there, it means you can't access it. And if I do try and access it, if I withdraw my money, then I sell at a loss. If I sell at a loss, then there's no point even playing the game because you're not investing to lose money. And I don't think investments are for everyone. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. And if you did get some value from it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you so much. See you soon.